In this lecture, we will see how to improve the audio inside a video. So far, all our learning was around an audio file or audio recording. This time we will see what to do if the audio is inside a video file. I have a screen recording here which also has some narration. This is the raw recording, and nothing has been processed yet. Let's hear it for a couple of seconds.
So I am going to show you how to install Audacity. To install Audacity, go to Audacity team.
The loudness is not ideal, and we only get sound on the left side. We can easily fix this with the methods we already learned. I will take this video file to a video editor. I am using Camtasia. The generic process is the same for every video editor, and later, I will show you another video editor. Let's play it for a few seconds to ensure the audio is also in.
Audacity, go to audacityteam.org and then go to download.
Okay, the audio is in the video, and I will now go into Audacity. I will drag the same video file into Audacity. Though it is a video file, Audacity can show only the audio part of it. I can edit the audio in Audacity and export it as an audio file. The audio from the video was a stereo track with nothing at the bottom. The top is the left channel, and the bottom is the right channel. As the right channel is empty, we hear sound only on the left side. To fix it, I will convert it to mono. I will split stereo to mono. I have now got two separate mono tracks. The bottom is empty, so I will remove it. Let's play the track to check if everything is okay.
Choose your OS. If you are using Windows, choose Windows. If you are using Mac.
Now we have got sound on both sides. I can fix the volume level and other issues in the audio in Audacity. I am fast-forwarding the audio editing process. If you have already watched the other lectures, you know it will be normalize, noise reduction and compression. To fix mouth clicks, I also used a clicker. Finally, I normalize again to set the peak level for the final time. All the processing is done, and let's hear it for a few seconds.
To install Audacity, go to audacityteam.org and then go to download.
The sound has improved, and we can use this in the video project. To use this audio, I have to export it. I will export it as a WAV file. I will give it a name, Final. I have kept the final WAV file in this directory, and I will drag it to the video editor. This process is the same for most video editors. If you use any other video editor, you can see similar options. I will align the audio track with the video track. Both tracks are now active. I will disable the improved audio track to check that everything is okay in the video track.
Video, I am going to show you how to install.
I will make the improved audio track active. I will now silence the original audio inside the video track. Let's listen now.
To audacityteam.org and then go to download. Choose your OS. If you are using Windows, choose Windows. If you are using Mac, choose Mac. An automatic file will be downloaded, but that file may not be perfect for you.
It is now perfect. The silence option may not be available in some video editors. You can follow another trick in those cases. You can separate the video and audio tracks. After separating the tracks, you can delete the original audio track and keep the improved one. I will show another video editor, iMovie. Though iMovie is only available on Mac, it proves the process that works on other editors. Like before, I will drag the video file into the timeline. The audio is inside the video file. Let's play to make sure.
Be downloaded.
I will now separate the audio and video. In iMovie, this option is called Detach Audio. It does the same thing as separating tracks, just with a different name. I got a separate audio track which I will delete. I will now find the improved audio and drag that into the iMovie timeline. The video and audio start from the beginning, so I will align them. Audio alignment can be difficult if you alter the timeline of the audio. I suggest you do not alter the timeline length in Audacity while you have a video depending on it.
So I am going to show you how to install Audacity. To install Audacity, go to audacityteam.org and then go to download.
It is now sounding perfect in iMovie. I hope you understand the process of making the sound of a video better. In summary, make the audio better in Audacity. Detach the audio from the video editor and attach the improved audio from Audacity into the video editor.